Hello, and welcome to another edition of the Customer Self-Service videos. Today we're going to be discussing the template upgrade functionality that exists in the SAP Ariba Supplier and Lifecycle Performance solution. The template upgrade functionality allows administrative users the ability to automatically update existing supplier management projects with any changes that are made to the existing templates. So for example, if I have a registration template and I needed to add some additional information that I wanted to start collecting from our suppliers, you can use the template upgrade functionality to push those changes out to existing supplier questionnaires that have already been filled out. This functionality currently is available in the supplier registration questionnaire templates and also the modular questionnaire templates. So these are not available with the qualification templates or the preferred supplier questionnaires. Some of the benefits of this functionality is to get suppliers on the latest version of the questionnaires. This will result in consistent data across your supply base and make sure that all the data in SLP is the most up-to-date. Another thing is it improves the efficiency for supplier managers to gather this information from their suppliers. The functionality has safeguards in place as well to ensure that projects that have active tasks in it are not upgraded during the template upgrade. This will keep those projects from being disrupted while the changes are in progress. Now that we've got a little bit of background on the functionality, let's go into the application and take a look. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using a modular questionnaire to demonstrate the functionality. I'm currently on a supplier's dashboard, and since I'm using modular questionnaires, I need to go to the questionnaire tab. From here you can see that I have submitted a questionnaire to the supplier who has not yet responded. Now we'll jump over as the supplier and complete the questionnaire. Alright, I'm logged in as a supplier, and as you can see here we have the questionnaire that we need to complete. So go ahead and select it, and here's the questionnaire that we have. You can see I've made it pretty generic for this demo. It just has one section with 4 questions. So go ahead and answer these really quick. Then I'm going to go ahead and submit the response. Alright, our response has been sent. Now we'll go approve this and take a look at what it looks like from our side. Okay, so as you can see here, I have approved the request. And if we look down here, we can see the responses that the supplier had given us. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and make a change to the template, and I'm going to push the upgrades out to all the available projects. I've opened up our template, and what we're going to do is create a new version. Then we're going to go over to the documents, select our questionnaire, edit, go over to content, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to add a section. And then we'll exit, go back to our template, and we'll publish the new version. So now we want to go ahead and push out the updates that we just made to our template. To do that, we need to go to Manage and select SM Administration. And then at the bottom over here, you can see Template Upgrade. The first thing we need to do is choose the project template type. If you remember earlier, I said that this is only available to push the upgrades out for registration templates or modular questionnaires. Our example, we used a modular questionnaire. And so now I'm going to look for the specific modular questionnaire that I want to push out. You can see here is the template that we've been using. And now I'm going to click on Find Projects. The list that is brought back shows us the projects that could potentially be upgraded. So as you can see here, we have one project that is currently on version 1 of the template. Latest version is version 9. And this project is not eligible to be upgraded because it's pending approval. Right? So if any project has an active task, the system will not upgrade the template for that project. Another example here is we have another project that is currently on version 7 that is not eligible to be upgraded either because it is pending approval as well. And then down here you can see we have two projects. Both of those are currently on version 8, and both of those are eligible to be upgraded. There are no active tasks for either of those projects. So what we want to do is we want to click on this checkbox to notify the suppliers, right? So the supplier's primary contact will receive an email letting them know that there is a new version of the template and to please go and fill out the new information. So now we want to go ahead and select upgrade. Let's type in a message. The status, you can see here that it is in the progress of upgrading. Now you can see it's completed. Okay, I've gone back into the supplier that we were working with earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and look at the project that we have for this particular template. Now once it's open, we can go down here and look at the bottom. We can see that we have our new section and the new question that we added as part of this questionnaire. The supplier would also have received an email letting them know that there is an update that they need to make. So let's go take a look at what the supplier sees. So I've logged back in as the supplier and opened up the template questionnaire that I was notified needed to be updated. You can see here I have the new section and the new question, and I can go ahead and revise my response as the supplier. Down here, select the date, and then resubmit our response. This would then go back in approval to approve the changes to the questionnaire, and once those are approved, the supplier's questionnaire will be up to date and on the latest version of the template. And then the last thing I'll show is what this looks like after it's been approved. Let's say we're back in the supplier's profile underneath the questionnaire project, and you can see here that we have the new question updated. This view will actually show you what the previous version is compared to the latest version. So that concludes this video describing the template upgrade functionality that exists in SAP Ariba SLP. I hope you have found this helpful, and thanks for watching.